Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September the 18th on a Monday. I was off this past Friday, but it was an ugly day. What a head snap. We looked like we were breaking out of this tight range over the last 5 days, finished pretty strong. But if you look, I'm not going to draw it, but if I drew this wedge, this trend line going from the high back here in July, you would see we really didn't get through that. And now we are attempting to break the downside side of this wedge. So we could head snap the shorts as well. So the bears and just pop up right back in this range. So keep it tight out there. But there are some setups, and let's take a look at them. First on my list here is ARES. I like the way it held up, showing relative strength on Friday. You had a couple of really good green bars here, and now you've had a constructive pullback to this 10-period moving average. So looking for a continuation possibly in that ARES. BXMT, huge volume bar at the close, and that's being added to the S&P 1000, I believe. But nonetheless, just looking at the chart, you want to see a break above this high. But a cup and handle, you can see the cup there, and then possibly the handle being built there in that BXMT. INSM, another one I'm watching closely today. Huge move on huge volume and really didn't pull back that much. Just been kind of going sideways. Okay, anytime you get a huge move like this and some sideways action, that's typically showing you a lot of strength there. So that's definitely on my watch list. Where someone might want to buy that is subjective, but it's definitely have my eye on that. One more real quick, PATH, PATH, with a nice little bottoming tail on Friday, closing right at its 10-period moving average. This is after a nice move it had on earnings. So watching that PATH. All right, four good ones. Keep an eye on there. Guys, have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.